People ask me, why is SPJIMR launching the Finnovate Accelerator? That's a fair question. Now let's look at SPJIMR's purpose or mission. Our mission is to influence practice and to promote values-based growth. And the way we do that, the way we influence practice and promote values-based growth in today's economy, in today's world, is by advancing wise innovation. Now, what that means is by advancing a specific kind of innovation that bears benefits not just on the economic dimension, but on the social and environmental dimensions as well. Now, how do we advance wise innovation? We advance wise innovation through our participants that we influence through our teaching. It's through our research and our thought leadership pieces. And as importantly, we advance wise innovation through our engagement with the community. Our efforts with the Finnovate Accelerator falls into this category, that of influencing practice by advancing wise innovation through our community engagement. Now, one could ask, of all possible innovation opportunities, why finance? Why fintech? Why financial innovation? And the answer is relatively simple. While there are many avenues of innovation, the fintech revolution has the potential, both positive and negative, to have a tremendous impact on our economy and on society. And therefore, bringing a modicum of wisdom or foresight to this form of innovation is something we feel is important. And that's the reason SPJIMR is launching the Finnovate Accelerator with all of the components required for innovators to come in, work with SPJIMR, and launch their ventures that we believe will provide a net benefit to the economy and to society.